Hello friends, today we are going to study some advanced options of a slideshow where we are going to see hiding a slide, then customizing the slideshows and rehearse timing options that are most commonly asked questions in your PPT and majorly important options from your PPT also. Okay, so in the last class we have discussed how you are going to create your own presentation. As you are seeing, I have one presentation over here on the screen. Yes, so I have created certain 4 to 5 slides over here, right? So already the typed data is there. So you know, if I say F5 button, automatically what happens, my slide is going to be displayed, and whenever I give certain automatically after or a keystroke, my PPT is going to be displayed, okay, on the entire screen, right? So you know all these things already, and you know how you are going to give a background settings also. Right mouse click, format option, then go for some color, select the colors and just go for apply all options, and then your color will be given, the background color will be set to your available data, right? So these all things we have discussed in the last class. So today what we are going to do is we are just going to give certain other options apart from animation effect and your slide transition effect. We are going to use certain other options. Just observe the slide show over here. Just I'll start the slideshow. You are seeing presentation on internet. Then second slide is going to define the internet. Third one, evolution of internet. Then you have fourth slide, internet in India, and then who owns the internet is your next slide. Then internet organizations, and then some basic internet terms we have told. Okay. So sorry. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you different views or different methods how you are going to see your presentation. Okay, ಒಂದು presentation ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. So if you are working in 2003 version, you have the option as a format option. Format ಒಳಗೆ you have a view menu ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ in your 2007 version, you have a view tab over here where you are having certain options. Just I'm going to zoom you the options over here. So you have normal, slide sorter view, note page, slide show. Okay, all these are your 4 different views of your PowerPoint presentation. Right, just go through the icons because the question will be given. Just they are going to show you the icon, then they are going to ask what is the name of this icon. Yes, be thorough with the icons, right? And here I'll show you what actually or how your icons will what effect they have on your PPT. So the one that you are seeing, screen whatever you are seeing, the screen is divided into 3 major sections as I have told. This is your slide or outline section, this is your main slide section, and the one that you are seeing here blank where my pointer is moving, that is your notes section. So dividing the screen into these 3 sections is called as your normal layout. When I say this as a slide sorter view, just if I am clicking on the second icon, if you are seeing, I am capable of seeing all the icons or all my slides in one screen. Okay, all my slides are available in one screen. So suppose it is now having 7 slides in one single row. If I would have had 28 to 29 slides, all the slides would have appeared below one another in a single go to see all the available slides on one screen. Okay, this type of view is called as what? Slide sorter view, right? Then next option I'm going to click, that is note page view. Note page view is I'm going to have a slide over here, slide and its details, and I can have a notes section over here. If I want to write any detailed explanation on this one, I can have a data or I can type it over here. This type of representation or this view is called as what? Note page view. Okay, and last one is slideshow view. Already you know the F5 button. Once I click on this one, the entire screen will be filled with your slide. No other option is displayed. Okay, this already you know. This weave we have seen, and we are well versed with your normal weave also. That is this type of weave. This type of weave we know, that is normal, and slideshow we know. Then slide sorter is a weave where you are being displayed, or you are seeing all the slides at a stretch, and note page is a view where you are having a slide section and a notes section as a major area to type notes on the available slide. Okay, right, I hope it is clear. So a presentation can be viewed in 4 different formats: a normal weave, a slide sorter weave, a note weave, and then a slideshow weave. Right, so this is the way how you are going to weave a presentation. So a question is, I hope a question was asked, in how many different methods PowerPoint presentation can be viewed. So options were given 3, 2, 4, 5 in such a way. So it can be viewed in 4 different views. Okay, and if at all a definition is asked, like weaving a slide, weaving all the available slides at a stretch in one screen, that option or that weave is called as what type of weave. So your options will be given like normal weave, slide sorter weave, note page weave, slideshow weave. So that weave will be which one? That will be a slide sorter weave. Okay, so such type of questions will be framed on the weave. So today we want to discuss one more important method on your one more important button on your this one, that is slide weave. So suppose as you are seeing, whenever I have a slide sorter weave, I am seeing all my slides over here. Yes, suppose if I don't want to show any one slide among these, so totally we have a 7 slides over here. Say I don't want to show my third slide over here. Yes, so the third slide name is evolution of internet, and this I don't want to show. Right, so what I have to do, just to select the slide, right mouse click, I'll just zoom you the options, right mouse click, and I will say here hide slide option. Okay, hide slide. So now you can see 1 and 2 are clear, whereas 3 is placed in a box, and the box is given a line over like this. Okay, this means whenever I'm going for a slideshow, I'll see 1, 2 slides, I'll not see the third slide, and I'll see directly the fourth slide. Just I'll show you how it looks. I'm going for the slideshow. Okay, this is my first slide. We have hidden evolution of internet, the third slide. This is my second slide. Okay, directly we have switched to Internet in India, not the third slide. Okay, so just see, this was the third slide that was not visible. Okay, so suppose now if I want to remove that option, what I do, again I go for this one, right mouse click, and I just click on again the same option, that is hide slide. Now as you can see, the box is disappeared over here. This means you are unhiding the slide now. And now if I say slideshow, so this is my first slide, second slide, and this time I have evolution of internet, my third slide, fourth slide, fifth, sixth, seventh, all the slides are available. Okay, this is how we are going to use a hide slide option. So whenever you have your slides in the presentation but do not want to display those to everyone, then you can use the hide slide option. Okay, so that is one important option. Then we come for custom slideshow, the one that is over here. I am zooming the option just to go through the icons. This is the icon to start your slideshow from the beginning. This is from the current slide, and this is to customize your slideshow. Okay, what actually you are doing, customize the slideshow, is whenever I'm clicking on this one, I'm just capable of creating a new presentation with the available presentation. That is how many sections I have here. If you are seeing, I have 7 slides made, right? So I'll select my first slide. I say here add. Then I select my fourth slide. Then I select last slide. Understanding? So among the 7 slides, I have selected only 3 slides, right? And I say here okay. right? And the name of that slide will be custom show 1, right? And I will say show. This is my slide show of the new presentation that I have created among the available presentation. First slide, and directly I have switched it to fourth one, and directly to the 7th slide. Getting? So suppose already you have number of slides, among that you have made sections. So you want certain, out of 10 slides, you want certain slides like say first slide, 5th slide, and only 10th slide, or some 4 to 5 slides from the available 10 slides. Then you can customize those slides using which option? Using the option custom slide show option. Okay. And then last and very important option is your rehearse timing option. Okay, it is available over here. Yes, in your 2003 version, you'll be having rehearse timing in the slide menu. Okay, so rehearse timing is, suppose I have told you in the last class that whenever we say here animation and I say here automatically after 1 or 2 seconds, I say here. Sorry. So here I say automatically after every 2 or 3 seconds I have selected. So suppose if I have done all these options, right? And now what happens whenever you are saying a slideshow, after every 3 seconds your PPT or your next slide is being appeared automatically, isn't it? So that you have studied in the last class. After every 3 seconds, this is going to appear in this format. Just I'm fast forwarding it. Alright. So now what I want, I'll show you the slide sorter view. Okay. Slide sorter view is showing 0.03 for presentation 1, and there is no timing for other slides as you are seeing over here. Yes, so 0.03 means what? This slide is having 0.03 seconds to transmit from first to second. Suppose I want this operation to be done for all the remaining slides. What I have to say? I have to say here apply to all. When I say apply to all my options over here, all my slides is having the same timing if you are observing. Yes, so what does it mean? My first slide will vanish and my second slide will appear after 0.03 seconds. Then again the same thing with third one, same with fourth one. Suppose I have certain things to say more about the second slide. Okay, ಎರಡನೇ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. 0.03 seconds ಸಾಲ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. If my time is not sufficient for me to explain this slide, I require more time, then what I have to do? Then I can make a rehearsal of the PPT. Okay, just I'll show what you have to do. You have to go for slideshow option, and here you say rehearse timing. Okay, so your PPT is being recorded. Just I'm zooming the option over here. So it is 4, 5, 6 seconds, 7 seconds. When I click, automatically my second slide is open. Again, it is recording the time. Right? If you are capable of saying this has already crossed 12 seconds, the evolution slide. Right? Then the third slide, I'll just give 2 or 3 seconds. Then again, who owns internet? Some 2 seconds. Then okay, now my total time message, shit,